Today I will be showing you how you can use MS PowerPoint to make effective presentations. Open PowerPoint. I have a student license. Blank. Now it gives you some design ideas here if you click. Some animations, uh, some images, some backgrounds. So I like this one. But it is, yeah. Now I can rename it as storage devices. Here it is. Now let's check for more design idea. This looks good now. And it also matches with storage devices. Let's increase the font. Storage devices to highlight it. Here it is. You can add any text here. So I will keep it as primary and secondary. Here it is. Looks good now. Now this was given by my school. Um, this is the presentation I made. It took me 20 minutes to make this presentation with all the text. So we will be using the same text and making the presentation. Let's press enter. And then copy some text. So you want two of these. Let's group it. Press shift and then click here. And then you should be able to group it. I'm not able to. But let's just drag it here. Yeah, half, Control C, and Control V8. Let's just Control paste it now. Um, Copy the slide and paste the slide. Then we'll just click this. I'm not able to add another text box, so it's okay. Let's delete these slides and add a new slide with to content. Here it is. We can change this. Control C, then Control V. This should be okay. Then we just add two text here. I'll just copy this image and then copy this text. It looks a little big. Let's decrease the size. I think 40 should be okay. Then some spaces and then paste. It looks good. Yeah. some more spaces here. It looks good now. Now let's add some content. Here it is. Secondary storage. And then let's add main memory. Here it is. Now if you want an image related to this, you can just click on design ideas. If it doesn't give, insert pictures, online pictures, types of storage devices. You can choose any image that you would like. Here it is. Now I would like this image because it was given by my school. Here it is. So let's copy this image and paste it in. It looks good now. A new slide. And this time we don't need two parts. So let's delete the slide and go to the new slide and then title and content. So I want it as RAM, the second slide. And everything RAM has. If you want this presentation, I will be putting a link under this video in the description. Here it is. And then we can just stick any image of RAM. I just copy this and paste it here. And you can take any image you like. Like I like this one. Let's just keep it anywhere. Okay, and then this should be good. Or this. I like this one more. So good. Next slide. Next slide, you can put it as a ROM, and then you just Control C. This slide we would like two content. Two content. Okay, like this. Here it is now. And let's just take the top. We will need one image also. So you can go to insert image, do the same process again, and go to read only memory. Yeah, any of these should be good. This looks like wrong. Here it is. Now go to design ideas again. If you don't have any design ideas, do this, paste it here, and then it should be good. It looks good now. This is how you can do all the slides. You can add 3 images. This you can keep in one paragraph. Here it is. And then these images you can add, types and some images. Then these you'll be able to see in, go to insert. Then you can insert icons. So here are a lot of icons. And then after you insert them, you can change the color. Then you can put this format here. I'll just show you. Enter. This is a blank slide. Now I will just insert a picture, online pictures. Thank you. You will get all these images. Um, I like this one. And let's just drag this outside the box. Okay. It will not be shown anywhere, even if you print it. Now let's see our presentation. It looks good. I will put the link of this presentation so that you can also use it. It will be as PPT format. Thank you. Have a nice day. Subscribe.